Hello, Oklahoma. This is Emma White, your Mesonet Agricultural Outreach Specialist, here with your weekly Mesonet Weather Report. Well, you can tell where it's rained and where it hasn't. This map shows the 32-inch plant available water in the soil for the state. We'd like these numbers to be around 50% or ideally higher. Thus, most of the state is staying above that number, but southwest Oklahoma and the western side of the Panhandle are not. In fact, in Tipton, the plant available water in the soil is below the 10-year average right now and has been so for about the past month. Below average is indicated by the red line going negative, or below that darker black line. Below average makes sense though, because while the rest of the state has received abundant rainfall, southwest Oklahoma has not received as much. This map compares August precipitation in 2025 to the 10-year average and shows below average precipitation for most of southwest Oklahoma this past August. One unique experience much of the state went through the last several weeks was the lower temperatures. Temperature is related to crop development, so lower temperatures can mean slower development. As this graph shows for statewide soybean progress until September 7th, this year's development is lagging behind both 2024 and the 5-year average. Hopefully, the warmer temperatures this week can help put that soybean and corn back on track. Since the cotton is mostly in southwest Oklahoma and the temperatures haven't been as cool down there, cotton development seems to be fairly on track as compared to last year and the 5-year average. Wheat planting is on the verge of starting in Oklahoma, so stay tuned in the coming weeks for SUNUP episodes covering that topic. Gary McManus is up next with your state climatology report.
Thanks, Em, and good morning, everyone. Well, a lot's happened since we last spoke. Fall went away and summer actually came back. We had severe weather return up in northwest Oklahoma, and we had some changes on the drought monitor map. Let's get right to it. Well, the biggest change we see is down in southwest Oklahoma, that region of the state. We saw a large increase in the abnormally dry conditions and also moderate drought. So the abnormally dry conditions are the places in danger of going into drought. That's the yellow color. And then the light tan indicates that small region of moderate drought in mostly Tillman County. But that does threaten to start to spread if we don't get rainfall. You can also see the small areas of drought up in central, northeastern, north central Oklahoma, and also some more abnormally dry conditions over in east central Oklahoma. Now, the big reason for that increase in southwest Oklahoma, pretty obviously, it just hasn't rained in a while. It hasn't rained enough. So this map from the Mesonet, the consecutive days with less than a quarter inch of rainfall, we are up past a month in some cases, but generally 20 to 40 days going strong without rainfall. And across the rest of the state, we are getting up to close to 2 weeks, so we are in a mini dry spell, but a bit of a longer dry spell in southwestern Oklahoma. We can also see the reason for that increase in the drought monitor in the southwestern part of the state on the 60-day rainfall map from the Mesonet. Pretty easy to tell where the best rains fell, those areas of reds and oranges, as we get up above 7, 8 inches, up to 14 inches in some cases. And we can also see those areas of deficits down in southwestern, northeastern, north central Oklahoma, and central and east central Oklahoma. So just look at the greens. Those are the regions where we see those areas remaining on the U.S. Drought Monitor map. That's it for this time. We'll see you next time on the Mesonet Weather Report.